Hello, this is the second lesson of the Mastering Data Analysis in Excel course. In this lesson we will talk about the two tools in Excel, sort and filter. The both are used very often when we work with the data. Let's start with the sort function. Here are our data from the first lesson. We can use sort from the home ribbon, look here, and also from the data ribbon. There is no difference. Sort A to Z means sort the data in column from lowest value to highest, and in this case, conversely, from highest value to lowest. For example, if we want to see the highest value from column of cost of products, we have to select a cell in this column and click from Z to A. We see that the highest amount is $3,000. In the contrary, if we want to sort this column from the lowest to highest values, for example, we have to select again one cell in this column and click from A to Z. If you noticed, when we sort one selected column, all the values in other columns are changed respectively with our values in selected column, and this is one of the important principles of working with data. In addition, we can sort column by the color of cells or fonts. Let's fill some colors. For example, in this column, let's fill yellow, for example, green, and some cells red. It is just for the example. Now select one cell in this column, go to data, sort. In this window, select sort by order ID because we have colors only in this column. Sort by cell color. For example, red cells, move to the top. Then again, add level, sort by order ID, sort on cell color. For example, green cells, again on the top. And again, add level, order ID, cell color, yellow cells, move to the bottom. Click OK, and now we have sorted column by the color of cells. We will use this trick when we use the conditional formatting tool. I can say that sort is a great tool to analyze data superficially. At once see the intervals of dates in different columns and bring to the top the values that you need. Now let's observe the filter. Select one cell in the data and click filter. You see that on the top row in every column are appeared these signs. When we click on them, it shows the window where we can again sort the whole data by this column, but also we can filter data by color and by number. Let's practice. For example, we want to see the all orders of this client. Copy this customer ID, open the filter window, paste customer ID here, and click OK. Now you see orders of this client by their dates. The actual client ID is the number from 5 characters. You can see it also here. Depends on the type of order in database. I generated these codes near the client ID to understand what type of product he has ordered. For example, FB means food and beverage. Now if we want to see all the orders of this client regardless of the type of product, let's copy only the number of the client ID, open the filter window, paste it here and click OK. Now we see all the orders of this customer by their order dates. Great. Let's again open the filter window. Here we can filter the data by many conditions. If we want to filter the column which includes numbers, we can use conditions equals, does not equal, greater than or equal to, less than, and so on. If we want to filter the column which includes the text, for example, we can use conditions equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, and so on. Let's, for example, filter the orders only in Washington state. But first, let's unselect the filters here. Now open filter window, unselect all, and select only Washington. Here the result. Now unselect the last filter and filter the orders where the cost of ordered product is greater than $1,000. Open filter here. Number filters greater than $1,000. Press OK. You see that we can extract the part of whole data and work only with that. It depends on the tasks. When we click again on the filter sign, all filters are lost. In addition, if we want to filter by the color, we can again select the filter, open the filter window, and filter by color. For example, filter red cells. Great. Keep practicing with filter tool and get acquainted with our data. See you on the next lesson. Thank you for watching.